Hey Subbies! Welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Gisha _ everything, and today I am back with another reaction video. Not any other video, but another reaction video. So today we're going to do a reaction video to Gabriel Henrique Emotions by Mariah Carey. So please comment down below videos you want me to do for y'all, and I'll do it for you. Without further ado, let's get into this reaction video.
Never felt so satisfied.
Yes! What? Hey. Whoa, this song is so good. Yes. All right. Come on, man. Love it, love it, love it. Wow. Wow, that's all I have to say is wow. Yes, make sure that you like it, comment, and subscribe to this YouTube channel, y'all, because we're on our way to 1K subscribers. Woohoo! Yada yada yada. We're on our way to 1,000 subscribers. So make sure that you're subscribed to the notification bell thing, and make sure that you, yes, And without further ado, I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.